Uh, could you say a little bit, Roy, about this term, a rather strange term, via negativa?
Sure. Well, this is from the Latin as opposed to the Greek. I suppose it means the negative way. Now, within philosophy of religion, say, I mean, it's a wide field covering many different religions. But historically, much of the debate has been within Christianity. Now, why is that the case? I mean, there's many reasons, but I think one reason we can pinpoint is because it does not necessarily follow this method known as via negativa. Now, you have various scholars in Judaism and Islam, such as Moses Maimonides and Averroes. And when we talk about the nature of God, what does God mean? What does it mean to believe in God? When we say, I believe in God, what are we referring to there? Many religious believers would argue that you just can't say. I mean, God is just so vastly different from human beings. To say anything positive or assertive about God makes it meaningless. God is just so very different. So really the only way we can perhaps get some understanding of what we mean by God is via negativa, to emphasize the negative. In other words, to say that God is not mortal. God does not have a bodily form. God is not evil, etc. So by asserting these negatives, these nots, we may get somewhere towards an understanding of what God actually is, but very limited understanding.